Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the language in the Ask.fm application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you are done with that and you are in the home page, you should look at the top of your left corner and there you will see 3 lines. Press on it, and after doing so you will find here in this list the language settings. Just press on it and you can select here a language that is on the list. Now it is not a very long list, but you have quite a few options here. Most of the well-known languages are present in this list, and let's say you want to select Romanian. You press on it, wait a little bit, and it will pop up a small window. If you really want to change the language to Romanian from English, you just press on the language once again and the language will stay, the app will be changed to that language. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.